Hello dear students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Education Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 4 Computer Science video lectures of chapter 9 Formatting Documents in MS Word. Students, in the previous chapters we have learned about some features of the MS Word like how to edit document, how to edit text in the MS Word. Okay, now in this chapter we will learn some more features of the MS Word. Okay students, so you have to open your computer book at page number 83. Okay, now in this video we are going to cover up these topics. First, inserting header and footer, applying borders and shading, adding background color and watermark. So students, now we will start with our first topic, which is inserting header and footer in your MS Word document. The top margin area of the document is called the header, whereas the bottom margin area of the document is called footer. So students, here we have two things, header and footer. Header always appear on the top area of your document and footer always appear at the bottom area of your MS Word document. The steps of inserting header and footer in the document are as follows. First step we have, click the insert tab. Next, click the header button or footer button that you want to add in your document. Next, a list of various header styles appears. Then select the required header style. Okay, let's see students. Here you can see this is your header drop down button. When you click on this button, here you can see the different header style that you can insert in your MS Word document. Here we have blank header style. Next we have blank header style with the 3 columns 1, 2, 3, and here we have another header style, okay, that you can insert in your MS Word document. Now the step 4, the selected header style appears in the header area. Now click the placeholder to type the text. Students, here you can see the header with the 3 column has been inserted in your MS Word document. Here you can see column 1, column 2 and column 3. Okay, this is the header area of your document. Okay students, if you want to add text in the header, then you have to click on the placeholder. Okay, so here by clicking on the placeholder, I have written here Tuesday, January 16, 2021, which is the date of today. Okay students, now we will move to our next topic, which is applying borders and shading in the document. The borders and shading are applied on the document to make it attractive. It means students, if you want to make your MS Word document attractive, then you can apply borders and shading in your MS Word document. Okay, now the steps of applying border and shading are as follows. Now we will see the step how to apply border and shading. Okay, our first step is click the design tab. So students, first you have to click on the design tab. Next, click the page borders option in the page background group. So students, here we have to go in the page background group, and in the page background group we have to click on the page borders option. Next, the borders and shading dialog box appears on your computer screen. Next, here select the required settings. You can see the preview of your settings in the preview section. Let's see. Students, here you can see this is the border and shading dialog box. Okay, and here we have different styles that we can apply on the page border and shading. Okay, here you can see the style of border, the color of border, the width of the border, select width of the border, and here we have select art for border. Okay, so by clicking on this art drop down button, you can select different art for your border. Okay, and here you can see the preview of your border that you want to apply on your document. Okay students, so this is the preview of your changes of art. Next, select style of border. So here from the style drop down menu you can choose any style for your border. Okay, and when you have applied all the things here, then you have to click on the OK button, then your border will be applied on your MS Word document. Okay students, now in the step 4, now click the shading tab in the dialog box and select the color from the fill box. Students, now we will see how to apply shading on the document. Okay, for this we have to click on the shading tab here. Okay, then we have to click this fill drop down button. Okay, here we have to choose the color that we want to apply on our document. Next, select the style of shading in the style box and click OK. Here you can see, student, this is your style box. Okay, we have to click on it, and here you can choose any style that you want to apply on your document. Okay, and then you can see the preview of your shading that you want to apply on your document. Then you have to click on the OK button. Okay, students, let's see. Here you can see, student, in the page background you can see the border. This is your border of document, and this is the shading of your document in the golden, or we can say in the yellow color. Okay, students, click inside the shading to write the text. The shading will expand when you press the enter key. Students, here I have write some text here, page shading, and when you press the enter key, you can see, student, the shading area has been increased in your document. Okay, so this is the way to apply the border and shading on your MS Word document. Now we will move to our next topic, which is adding background color. Now we will see how to add background color to the MS Word document. To make the document sheets colorful, we apply background color on the document. Students, sometimes we want to make our document colorful. In that case, we can apply background color to our document. Okay. Now we will see what are the steps to apply background color to the documents. The steps of apply background color are as follows. Our first step is click the design tab. So first you have to click on the design tab in the MS Word document. Next, click the page color option in the page background group. Again you have to go in the page background group, and here you have to click on the page color option. Okay. Next, the color palette appears on your MS Word document screen. Next, click the required color. Now you have to select the color that you want to apply for the background of your document. Next, the color will be applied on all the sheets of a document. Okay, then the color will be applied on your document background. Okay, students, let's see. Here you can see, students, this is the page color option under the page background group. Okay, we have to click on this option. When you click on this option, here you can see, student, this color palette will appear on your document screen. Here you can choose any color from this palette. Okay, then that color will be appear in the background of this page. Okay, students, now we will move to our next topic, which is watermark. A watermark is a text or picture that appears behind the text of a document in a faded manner. So students, watermark आपका text भी हो सकता है, और it may be a picture. Okay, that will always appear in the background of your text, or we can say in the behind of your text on the document. Okay, and in the faded manner. So watermark always appear on your document in the faded manner. Okay. They are sometimes used in the form of logo. Students, if you want to apply your logo in the document in the faded manner, then you can use the watermark. Okay. Next, nowadays digital watermarks are also added to photos, films and audio files to show a copyright of the owner of the object. Students, sometimes we don't want कि हमारा जो data है उसको कोई और use करे, हमारे documents को कोई और use करे. In that case, we can apply our logo, our text or our image in the document as a watermark. Okay. Next, in MS Word, you can either insert predefined watermarks in the document, or you can create your own watermarks in the document. Students, MS Word provides some predefined watermarks, and if you want to create your own watermark, you can also create your own watermark in the MS Word document. Okay. Now we will see how to insert watermarks in the document. First, inserting predefined watermark. So now we will see how to insert predefined watermark in the document. For this, the steps of apply predefined watermark are as follows. Our first step is open the document. So first you have to open the document in which you want to insert the watermark. Next, click the design tab. Then you have to click on the design tab. Next, click the watermark in the page background group. So again we have to go in the page background group, then we have to click on the watermark option. Then in the next step, choose the required watermark by clicking on it. Okay, so आपको किसी भी watermark पे click करना है that you want to apply in your document. Then the watermark gets applied on the document. Students, here you can see this is your watermark option. Okay, when you click on this watermark option, here you can see the different predefined watermark provided by the MS Word will be appear on your MS Word document screen. Okay students, here you can choose any watermark style that you want to apply in your document. Okay. Next is inserting custom watermark. Student, custom watermarks are of two types. Okay, one we have text watermark and another we have picture watermark. Okay, so you can insert text watermark or you can also insert the picture watermark in your document. Okay, so first we will see how to insert text watermark in your document. Inserting text watermark. The steps to insert the text watermark are as follows. First step is click the design tab. First you have to click on the design tab, then click the watermark in the page background group. Again in the page background group you have to click on the watermark option. Then a list of watermarks appears on your screen. Here click the custom watermark option. Students, now we have to click on the custom watermark option. Okay. Next, the printed watermark dialog box appears on your computer screen. Next, click the text watermark. So now we have to click on the text watermark. Next, enter the text you want to appear as a watermark in the text box. Here you can see student, this is your text box. Okay, here I have write India because I want that the word India has been inserted as the watermark in my MS Word document. Okay, then we have to choose the color for this text, and then here you can see the two layout of this watermark. We have diagonal or we have horizontal layout. Okay, you can choose any layout for your watermark. Then you have to click on the apply button and OK. Next, select the font, size and color for the watermark. As I told you, here we have font, size, color and layout. Okay, after selecting them you have to click on the apply button, then the text watermark will be inserted in your document. Okay students, next click OK to apply watermark and close the dialog box. The watermark will be inserted in the document. Here you can see student, the watermark with the text India has been inserted in the behind of your text. Okay students, now we will see our next watermark, which is a picture watermark. Inserting picture watermark. The steps to insert the picture watermark are as follows. Our first step is open the printed watermark dialog box. Here you can see student, this is the printed watermark dialog box. Okay, here we have different option to insert the watermark. Next, click the picture watermark button as we have to insert the picture watermark in our document. So here we have to select this picture watermark button. Then in the next step, click the select picture button. Okay, so here we have to click on this select picture button. Then the insert picture screen opens. Choose from a file and click the browse button. Okay students, so now from the insert picture dialog box we have to select a picture that we want to insert in our document as the picture watermark. Okay, let's see. Here you can see student, this is the insert picture dialog box. Okay, and here we can see different pictures, and here I have select this flag image in my document. Okay, because I want to insert this flag image as a picture watermark in my document. So we have to select it and then click on the insert button. Another insert picture dialog box appears. Select the picture and click the insert button. So we have to select this picture and click on the insert button. Okay, let's see. Now click OK button. The selected picture appears as a watermark in the document. Students, here you can see this flag has been inserted as a picture watermark behind the text in my document. Okay, you can see this is the watermark of the flag. So student, this is the way to insert different types of watermark provided by the MS Word in your document. Okay students, now we will see the practical of each topic one by one. To see the practical, first we have to open an MS Word document in our computer. Okay, so this is my document. Double click on it to open it. Okay, here you can see student, the document has been appear on your computer screen and I have already typed some text in this document. Okay, now we will see student how to insert header and footer in the MS Word document. For this we have to click on the insert tab, and here in the header and footer group we have three options. Okay, header, footer and page number. So first we have to click on the header option, and here you can see the different header style for the document. Okay, you can choose any header style. Here I have choose the 3-column header style. Okay, here you can see student, the header has been inserted in the document at the top position. Okay, with the 3 columns. Now we will add text in this header. So I will insert here Saturday in the first column. Now in the next column I will insert January, Jan 16, 2021, which is the date of today. And now in the third column I will insert computer science. Okay student, if you want to come out from this header, then you have to just double click on your document. Okay, then you will come out from the header. Okay students, now we will see how to remove this header from the document. Okay, for this again we have to click on the insert tab and click on the header option, and here we have to click on the remove header option. Click on it, then the header has been removed from the document. Okay, now we will see how to insert footer in our MS Word document. Students, we know header always appear on the top position of the document and footer always appear at the bottom position of the document. Okay, so now click on the footer option, and here again you can see the different style for the footer. Okay, so here I will choose the first style of footer, and here you can see student, the footer has been inserted at the bottom position of your document. Okay, now we have to type in the footer page number 1. Okay, so this is my footer. You can see the footer by scrolling the page. Now we will see how to remove footer from the document. Okay, now we will see how to remove footer from the document. For this again we have to click on the insert footer option, and here we have to choose the remove footer. Okay, and here you can see the footer has been removed from your document. Okay students, so this is the way to add and remove header and footer from your document. Now we will see our next practical, how to apply borders and shading in the MS Word document. Okay students, for this we have to click on the design tab, and in the page background group we have different options to apply borders and shading in the document. Okay, so we have to first click on the page border option, and here you can see the borders and shading dialog box appear on your screen. Here we have different options, styles, color, width and art. Okay, that you can apply on the border of the document. Okay students, so first we will choose the art that we want to apply as a border of our document. Here you can see the preview. Okay, you can choose another art and you can see the preview of this art in the preview section. So I will choose this as border. Now I will change the width of this border. Okay, then click on the OK button. Okay, and here you can see student, the border has been inserted in our MS Word document. Okay, now we will see how to apply shading. For this again we have to click on the page border option, then borders and shading dialog box appears on your screen. Now we have to click on the shading tab. Click on it, and here you can choose the color for the shading that you want to apply in your document. Here I will choose yellow, or you can say golden color for my document, and now I will choose the shading style, and in the preview section you can see the shading preview of the document. Okay, now we have to click on the OK button. Here you can see the shading has been inserted in your document. Okay, and when you press the enter key student, then the shading area will be expanded in your document. Okay students, you can see the shading and border has been applied in your MS Word document. Okay, now we will see our next practical, how to add page background color in the document. Okay, for this again we have to go in the page background group, and here we have to click on the page color. Okay, here you can see students, the color palette will appear on your screen. Okay, this is the color palette. Here you can choose any color for the background of your document. Okay, using the mouse you can choose any color as a background for your document. Okay students. Okay, so I will choose this color as my background. Okay, so this is the way to apply background color in your MS Word document. Okay, now we will see our next practical, which is how to apply watermark in our MS Word document. Okay students, for this we have to again go in the page background group, and here we have watermark option. We have to click on it. Then this dialog box appear. Here we have some diagonal styles and we have some horizontal style. You can choose any watermark for your document. Okay, so here I will choose first style for my document, and here you can see students, the watermark with diagonal style has been inserted in my document. Okay, now we will see how to remove this watermark. For this we have to click on the remove watermark. Then your watermark has been removed from the document. Okay students, now we will see how to insert text watermark in your document. For this we have to click on the watermark option. Okay, then we have to choose the custom watermark. Then the printed watermark dialog box will appear on your screen. Here we have to choose text watermark. Okay, now in the text box we have to type the text that we want to add as a watermark in our document. Okay, so in the text box I will write here India in the capital letters. Okay, now here we have two layouts, diagonal and horizontal, and I will also choose the color for this watermark. Okay, so you can choose any color. So here I will choose the blue color and click on the apply button. Okay, here you can see students, the watermark with the text India in blue color has been inserted in my document. Okay, now you can see student, this watermark has been inserted in the background of your text. Okay, now we will remove this watermark. Again you have to click on the watermark option, and here we have to click on the remove watermark. Then the watermark has been disappeared from the document. Okay, now we will see how to add picture watermark in your document. For this again click on the watermark option, custom watermark. Now we have to click on the picture watermark button. Click on it, and here click on the select picture option. Then the insert picture dialog box will appear on your screen. Okay, here you have to choose any picture that you want to insert in your document as the picture watermark. Okay, so here I will choose this flag image as a picture watermark in my documents and click on the insert button. Now click on the apply then OK button. Okay, so here you can see student, the flag as a picture watermark has been inserted in this document. Okay, you can see this watermark is in behind the text. Okay students, so this is the way to add watermark in your document. Students, I hope you have understood all the topic and the practical of these topics that we have seen today. So thank you students, have a nice day.